Welcome once again to Math with Ish. So let's look at this question. This question says that an interior angle of a regular polygon is 3 times each exterior angle. How many sides has the polygon? Okay, so this is the case of finding the sum of angles of a regular polygon and then the number of sides. Okay, now we got to recall that the formula for the sum of an n-sided polygon is given, the formula is given as n minus 2 bracket 180. So this is the formula that tells us about the sum of the interior angles of an n-sided polygon. Okay, now but when we want to get the value for each of the angles, then for each of the angle the formula has to be n minus 2 bracket 180 degree divided by n. So this one here tells us or help us to get the value of each of the angles that makes up the polygon, while this one here tells us about the sum, the aggregate of all the angles depending on the number of sides the polygon is. Okay, now that is that. So let's go to the exterior angles. Now the exterior angle of any n-sided polygon is always equal to 360. No matter the number of sides that polygon has, when you sum up all the angles, they will always equal to 360. So remember, this is for interior angles. Okay, so for exterior angle, the sum is always 360 degree. Okay, so and for each exterior angle, that will be 360 degree divided by n. Okay, so this one helps us to get the formula for each, that is for a single exterior angle. This one tells us about all the angles added up together. Now, if you know these two things, this particular question becomes easy. Okay, so now let's solve this problem. Now it says an exterior angle of a regular polygon is 3 times. Okay, so they say an interior angle, which means they're talking about one angle. So we're going to use this formula now, which is n minus 2 brackets 180 divided by n. So an interior angle of a regular polygon is 3 times each exterior angle. Each, they're using this one now, not this. Each is 360 degree over n. Now they say it's 3 times, so I'm going to times this one by 3. Okay, so this is what we're going to now solve to get our problem, to get the solution. Okay, now if you check the left hand side and the right hand side, they both have the same value, mn, which means that we can easily equate the numerator. So let's equate the numerators. Let's forget about this denominator now, since they are equal. So we are going to have this numerator now. 180 times n is 180n. 180 times 2, that's 360. I do the same thing here. 3 times 0, that's 0. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10. So yeah, so and when you collect like terms, this will give you 180n equals to 1080. If I take this one down here, it becomes plus 360. Okay, and then next I'm going to have 180n is equal to this plus this will give me 1440. Okay, and therefore I can now get my n. So my n is equal to 1440 divided by 180 divided by 180, so that my answer is going to give me 8. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.